Hey guys, welcome to the Alter Ego headquarters. Today we have an exciting unboxing video for you of our newest Finders Keeper. It is a Skottie Young inspired Deadpool. They come to us in these giant boxes. We are going to skip the big box and instead work with this inner. Now if you're not familiar with Skottie Young, you should be. He's a very talented artist who has a really unique take on a lot of different characters. And this is his take on Deadpool. So the Finders Keeper comes in this neat little box. And what's exciting about this one is this is one of our first Finders Keeper that we're doing on our multifunctional base. So there are lots of ways you can enjoy this cute little Deadpool. And as you can see, here is the Skottie Young Deadpool keychain that you can take with you. And what's cool about this is when you remove the keychain and you carry it around with you, we have this built in. It's a little sewer grate, so it still adds to the scene. It's not just a blank space. One of the fun features about this keeper is on the bottom, we have this pole. You can just pull out here. And this just easily snaps together and goes right in the back. Also, we have a phone support drawer, although you can also put your wallet in it, business cards, lots of different things. So here is the Finders Keeper without anything in it. Now to give you an example of some of the stuff we can do, let's get the keychain on. Brand new keychain. There we go. All right. That guy can just rest there while you're at your desk. Let's see, you can throw your sunglasses right behind him. Got any rubber bands. His little blaster can hold that. Work badges, those can hang there. That guy, and then to top it off, you can rest your cell phone right there. And there you go, your desk goes from chaos to organized very quickly. So this is our Skottie Young compact Deadpool Finders Keeper. It can be found at alteregostuff.com. And until next time, thanks guys.